In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email marketing campaign in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a one-time email send, choose the right audience, and get it out the door with confidence. Start in your Klaviyo dashboard. This is your control center, and everything you need for email campaigns lives here. Head to the campaign section. This is where you manage all your one-off sends, from promotions to announcements and newsletters. Click Create Campaign. You'll be asked what kind of campaign you want to build. Choose Single Channel. This keeps the focus on one channel at a time, and in our case, we're setting up an email-only send. Select Email, then click Continue. You'll now move into the setup flow. Next, choose your audience. Pick the list or segment you want to receive this email. Think about your goal here, whether it's driving sales, sharing an update, or nurturing new subscribers, and match that to the most relevant group. If you have engaged segments or recent purchases, those can often yield stronger results. Make sure the group you select has proper consent for email. Once you've selected the audience, click Next. Now it's time to choose your template. Browse the available options and look for a layout that fits your message, whether it's image-heavy, text-forward, or a clean announcement. You can always tailor the content, colors, and images later, so focus on structure first. Click Use Template to lock it in, then click Next. You'll land on the details page where you fill out everything needed before sending. Add a clear, compelling subject line and a helpful preview text that supports it. Confirm your from name and address so recipients instantly recognize who the message is from. Review your content for brand consistency, scan for typos, and make sure links and buttons point to the correct pages. If you use personalization, double-check merge tags like first name so they render correctly. When you're satisfied, click Next. Now choose how you want to deliver the campaign. Schedule it for a specific date and time, or send it right away. Scheduling can help you reach people at peak engagement times and respect subscriber time zones, while sending immediately is useful for timely updates or limited promotions. That's it. You've created your email marketing campaign in Klaviyo. From selecting the campaign type, to picking the audience, to finalizing the content and delivery timing. Save your setup approach so you can repeat it efficiently for future sends, and you'll build consistent, effective campaigns every time.